got the micro Draco. We haven't tried it yet. We're just opening it up. Look at this. This thing's beautiful. Really nice. Check this out. Look at this. Boy, that is nice. Nice squishy tires. Kind of some cheesy shocks, but hey, it looks nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Canopy comes off. Very nice. One screw to put this together. So we're going to find the screw, get this put together, take it for a fly on. We got two 300 milliamp 4 cells, and we'll be right back. That's it. You keep your head on a swivel and pay attention to what I'm doing. I don't want you to get hit by a plane. Okay? Let's see how this flies. Like shit. I'm surprised I didn't crash that. I can't believe I didn't crash that.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Well, that didn't work. As soon as I put takeoff flaps on, it dove into the ground. Well, we broke it. I don't know. I'm not real happy with this NX8 Plus. Things are just all wonky. We're going to put some glue on it real quick. Junior's got the foam tack. I don't know. They don't. We'll see. Alright, we glued the wing real quick on the fly with some foam tack. I got it on high rates because it don't seem to be turning very well, which is odd. What is wrong with this thing? Try it again. Let's take safe off. The safe stuff. There we go. This thing flies horrible. Hey guys, welcome back to S&S Rc Plane. We got the Draco today. I reprogrammed everything because it wouldn't fly very good at all. It just kept crashing. So reprogrammed it all and we'll give it a try. Alright, flaps are working. Take off flaps.
Landing flaps. Normal mode.
Alright, let's give it a try. CG seems okay. Canopy on.
Panic recovery.
We got panic recovery. We took it off of panic recovery. We're up here at the lake by my house. We got a dam here. This could be interesting. Hopefully the plane doesn't go for a swim. But I have a fishing pole to fish it out. Alright, like I said, this went really bad the last few flights, as you've probably already seen. I put them first. Hopefully reprogramming this NX8 Plus did the trick, because all it wanted to do was crash. We have like a 4-mile-an-hour wind, if that, coming out of the southwest. Take off into the south. So far, so good. Oh, wow. Over my head. But so far, so good. You got to keep some throttle on it.
Take off flaps.
We'll put the flaps on. Take off flaps are on. Oh, she's smooth. That reprogramming must have done it, guys. I don't really like going over the lake, but there's not much room here. Oh, she's flying good. Oh yeah, I like it. It was that reprogramming, it had to be. I know it's hard to see, guys. I got a little GoPro. I'm trying to keep her close for you, but there's not much width here. We're going out. We're going to turn around. We'll come by. I can't go too low. I don't want to go in the water. It is a little a tiny airplane. No, it's a tiny airplane I'm controlling. Little tiny high wing airplane. One of the ladies lives on the lake came out and said, "What is that?" I thought it was a bird. Little nervous flying here, but because of how much it was crashing. But I had programmed it to Spectrum's NX8 file that I had to download off the computer, because even though I just bought this NX8 Plus, it doesn't have many planes in it. So I downloaded the plane from their website, and all it wanted to do was crash. It wouldn't fly good. I broke the wing off, broke the tail. It was a hot mess. So I reprogrammed it the way I would program a plane without using their file, which was pointless because that's why I bought the NX8 Plus. I have a Radio Master and I almost bound it to that, but I had to give this another try or I was going to sell it. The radio, that is. It's supposed to be so much easier having pre-programmed files so you could just bind and fly, but that's not the case. Then your switches aren't even set up for where you want your switches anyways, and then whatever their program was, there was something wrong with it. Obviously, as you could see by the videos of everything I posted before this flight. Alright guys, well I won't torture you no more. We got a few planes coming up, some good ones. And if If you got any questions, go ahead and ask them. And make sure you like and subscribe. Could really help us out. And I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can get a land in here without going in the lake. I only got a little runway, so we'll try to do that. Oh, this could be interesting, guys.
Landing flaps.
I think my battery's dying or something. I got a beeping coming from the radio. There we go. I did it. All right. Must have had a timer set. Okay, guys. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe.